Hi everybody, this is Dr. Pradeep Srinivasan from Bangalore. I'm a radiologist by profession and I head Fortis Hospital, Department of Radiology and Fetal Medicine. I've been practicing fetal medicine since the last 23 years and I have a great passion in fetal imaging. Just few months ago, the whole country was vibrant with multiple conferences in fetal imaging and in various ultrasound techniques. But with the current scenario, even stepping out of our house becomes dangerous. Forget traveling to different cities to attend different conferences. So how do we continue our learning? So the best way now is to learn by e-learning. And the e-learning platform is so convenient and easy that we can choose our topics and at the ease of our time in our house, we can log in and learn various aspects of sonography and fetal imaging. So I think the future is all about e-learning and we need to change, and the change has started. So all of you have to change to learning from these e-learning platforms. I will be offering you 12 different sessions of training in various subjects of fetal medicine. To enumerate a few, I will be teaching you about imaging in ectopic gestation, first trimester aneuploidy markers, second trimester aneuploidy markers, counseling and risk assessment in aneuploidy, fetal GIT, GUT, CNS and phase, respiratory system, and as far as the heart is concerned, I will be doing 2 sessions, one on left heart abnormalities and another on right heart abnormalities. Apart from these, I will be also posting multiple interesting case scenarios where a lot of learning can be done on an individual case-based study. During these multiple sessions of teaching, apart from the theory aspect, a lot of real-time cases will be shown and discussed with the help of still images, videos, and whenever autopsy and karyotypes are available. I think One Learning is a brilliant platform for getting educated and for subspecializing in fetal medicine and ultrasound. What One Learning platform has done different from other people is that it has got a large number of teachers who are very passionate in fetal imaging in its kitty. These teachers have committed themselves to give multiple case scenarios as short packets of information, and also these teachers have committed themselves in conducting multiple educative sessions in particular topics of the imaging so that the learner gets a complete understanding of A to Z in the particular field he wants to learn. Also, One Learning has a global presence as compared to many other competitors. Then something different which they have done is they have actually integrated teaching with a lot of animation, and also they have made a quiz which looks like a game-based learning effort. So these new innovative things actually make learning much easier and also sometimes fun. So with these new changes which they have brought in, and with the involvement of multiple time-tested, passionate teachers, One Learning platform should be a good choice for learning fetal medicine and ultrasound. Information has always been there in the internet, and if you search for any topic, you will get a few thousand articles and a few hundred videos. Also, multiple webinars are happening these days. But then what you get out of all these is information in piecemeal. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You might have access to about 20 pieces of a 100-piece jigsaw puzzle, which is not enough to complete the picture. So the advantage of these type of subscribed offerings is that there is a structured program by a well-trained guru or teacher. And then when you enroll for a structured program, you will have continuity, and then the offer which is given also has a responsibility to complete the training which is given to you. So I think we need to search the net for information. We need to participate in webinars, but for a complete understanding and learning which can percolate into your daily practice efficiently, you need to actually enroll into e-learning programs.